First of all, what does solve mean? Find the value of x. So when it says solve in a sum, it says find the value of x. So the first, and these are all quadratic equations. The first one we're going to do, we'll do question 1. And it's x minus 2 bracket x minus 4 is equal to 0. Alright, and this is a sum that's partially solved already. So all we have to do to finish it off is we write down x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0. We move the minus 2 across, x equal to 2, x equal to 4. Some of you in your homework, you were jumping from here to there. I want to see all 3 lines. Do you understand that? Yeah, there's question 1. I'll leave it there for a second. Question 3. X minus 6 times x plus 4 equals 0. Solve that equation. Well, we write down, what do we write down? X minus 6 equals 0. And you call it out.
X plus 4 equals 0.
And what do we do here? X equal to? Minus 4. Right. There we found the 2 values of x. Up here we found the 2 values of x. Okay? You don't have to write these down. Question 6. 2x minus 1 bracket and it's x plus 4 bracket equal to 0. Right, so we do the same again. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now what do we do with the minus 1? 2x is equal to, bring it across to equals. And here we go, bring the plus 4 across.
Minus 1.
Right, so there's one answer already, but we're not finished over here. We want to find out what x is, not 2x. So to get rid of the 2, we divide both sides by 2. What's 2 divided by 2? 1. 1x. So whatever's in front of the x, divide by the same number. X is equal to a half and x is equal to? Minus 4. They're the 2 answers. Right, that's question 6. Question 7. Now, question 7. Watch this. There's an x there, x bracket. Right, if it was written like this, you'd know what to do, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so instead it's written like, this is how the sum is written. X times that. So you can actually write it like that as well, x bracket. So what do you do on the next line? X, so x is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Well, that's finished, isn't it? X is, that's one answer. What do we do on this side? X is equal to? Plus 3 is the second answer. Is that easier than you thought?
Yeah.
Right, question 7. Question 8 is the same. Question 8. X and bracket x plus 5 equals 0. So I can put brackets there if I like. And now I write down x is equal to 0 and over here x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to? Minus 5. Alright, you get that?
Yeah.
Keep watching. The whole idea is that you watch. That's question 8. We'll do question 9 while we're at it. Question 9. 2x bracket x plus 3 is equal to 0. Put brackets around it. So we go 2x is equal to 0 and
X plus 3 is equal to 0.
alright, 2 times what is equal to 0? 2 times 0 is equal to 0. So x is equal to?
0.
Over here, we have plus 3 across.
Minus 3.
So 2 answers are 0 and minus 3. That's question 9. Question 9, question 12. We have x squared plus 14x plus 48 equal to 0. I'll get a red pen for writing question 12. Right, so the factors of x squared are x times x. The factors of 48, 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 by 16, 4 by 12, 6 8s, so 48. Now, which pair will add or subtract to give me 14? 6 plus 8 is equal to 14, isn't it? So we'll go with that. Right, this first x goes here, second x goes there. We'll use 6 and 8. Now the test. 8 times x is 8x. X times 6.
6x.
How do I get 14x?
Plus.
Plus 8 and plus 6 gives me 14. So the plus, the top sign goes left, the bottom sign goes right. Okay, I'll rub this out for a second. Now we can finish off the sum. We go x plus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 8. X plus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 6. Now, do you get that? That's how I want the sum done out. Alright, that was question 12. Question 15. X squared minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Right, so we write out the factors of x squared. Again are factors of 21. 3 times 7. Which pair adds up to give me 10? Right, 3 and 7. How do I get 10x? Right, so we'll write out the brackets first. X goes there, x goes there. 7 and 3. Now the test. 7x. 3x. How do I get minus 10? Minus 7, minus 3. If I add those two, minus 7, minus 3, I get minus 10. Top sign goes left, bottom sign goes right. Right, now we finish it off. X minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to? X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to? 3. Okay. Was that difficult? Question 18. X squared plus 3x minus 28 is equal to 0. Okay, so we write out the factors again of x squared and 28. I'll start with 1, then 2. Does 3 divide in? No. 4? Anything else? No? Is that it? Right. Which pair of factors will add or subtract to give me 3? 4 and 7. 7 minus 4 is 3, isn't it? Alright, so the first x goes there, the second x goes there. We have a 7 and a 4. Right. So how do we get, now we do this here. Okay, how do we get a plus 3? Plus 7 minus 4. So the top sign goes left, bottom sign goes right. Okay. X plus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to? X minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4. Okay, that was number 18. I'm going to stop it there.